Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Do I just duck down?
Where am I going?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Splash, I was taking a bath on a bottle Saturday night. Yeah, rubbing up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. When I stepped on the top, put my feet on the floor, I wrapped the towel around me.
I'll keep you safe in this house tonight. Hold on to me, pretty baby.
We're about to meet the mayor of this town, and he's a dog.
He's a dog.
There you go. That's better, guys. And then I can say I've human politicians in Idlewild. Dexter. There we go. Okay. Thank you.
Day 2 of coming home and trying to figure out where the heckin' boy is. Oh. Where is you? I know you're in here. Hello? Where are you? I know you've dug. Where have you dug? I must say hello. Is you underwater? Oh god, I'm going to spill. Is him's under? No. He usually underwater. We check other side of the plane.
Look whose turn it is. Are you excited?
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo.
When somebody loves me.
Sideways.
What the heck is going on? Look at this. There are inchworms everywhere. They're all...
It goes on and on and on.
Remind me of
Everything tonight.
yes, I'm in the zone.
Dreaming about the things that we could be.
That's what tell me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Is it too late now to say
I need a one dance. And then we start to dance and I'm singing like
be over now, but I'm feeling.
Hey, can you scoot over? What do you mean? Oh, thank you. Just a little bit more. Can you scoot over a little bit? Sorry, don't. Okay. Okay, my bad.
Holy shit, holy shit. His fingers on my thing. He's Hi.
Mochi. Mochi, come here. Good boy. Good boy, Mochi. Come here. Right here. Good boy. Right here. Come on. Good boy. And now I give him a worm. Yee, I'm so proud. Here you go. Here you go, Mochi. Here. If you can't see it. Right here. There you go. Good boy.
Buddy, come here. Hello. Turn around. Let me see that ass. Turn around. Oh. No, he didn't.
Put peanut butter on the things. Hey, bear.
Oh, now you come. Thank you. Thank you for landing right there. That's exactly where I wanted you.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble, you know.
Time to sit, yeah?
Wow.
Here you go, bub. Hey, bub. Is that gonna fit, Bob?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Just checking everything out. Yeah. You checking it all out? Oh, hi.